Hey guys, so I'm here at home and I wanted to do the project that I had assigned for you to do. And so I asked my wife if there was anything around the house that I could design. And she said, oh, how about the ice scoop? Here's our freezer. And you can see here we have our ice scoop here in the, in the ice. We just use it to scoop out some ice, put it in our drink or whatever, and then we just put it right back in. So you can see that that would cause, some spread of germs and everything. And I'm gonna work on coming up with a design to make that better.
Design an ice scoop holder to make sure that I don't get ice or germs in the ice. Okay, I like that. Maybe I could put that sideways or slightly at an angle. The scoop will hook on there and the handle will shoot up. And that is enough that I could start doing maybe a little bit more detailed drawing. I started thinking about it and I realized that if I hooked the scoop on there like that, then the scoop would probably have just slipped out. Went to the freezer with a piece of cardboard, and I shoved a piece of cardboard in there to make a template. And so the way that I made that template is I put it on the side, and then just put a Sharpie marker through those little holes, and then I cut them out with the ice maker. There's a mechanism back there where the ice dumps out, and it was getting in the way. So I then put the ice scoop on its side and saw if when I opened and closed the drawer, so I shoved this back in the freezer and opened and closed the drawer to make sure that it had clearance. I'm going to create a new design, and I have already in my notebook kind of sketched out what I'm going to do and then put some just rough dimensions. Alright, from all angles, looks okay. more detail might also make the print take longer. But you know what? I think it looks cool. Alright, cool. So then I'm going to export that to an STL. Not import, export